cooking
Okay.
my car.
You're gonna cook that? Okay. Logan, here's your potion. All right. Now, which one are you gonna do first?
This one?
Okay, you're gonna set it down. Okay? And
I
then
don't
pour a
know
little
my-
bit of potion in it.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You
I
sure
can.
can. Not too much. Ready?
Steady, go. That's nothing.
Ooh.
That wasn't enough. It was slow.
It's okay. You can try the other one. You want to pour a little bit more in that one?
Yeah, let's pour a little bit more.
Okay, try your blue one.
Now this one.
Uh-huh.
And pop that bubble. Oh wow, I was gonna pop it. See now pour some vinegar on that one, Bubba. Oh, that one went a little. I'm not.
Okay,
my
try
turn.
yours, Lane. Let's set yours over here.
I want to do mine red first.
Okay.
My red one. I knew mine. I put all of them right here on.
Ah!
Mine was a good one. Wait, I want to mix this one. Mine's overflowing off the table. I need mine. I need. Ha ha ha! Oh! Whoa! Mine win!
Okay, Lane, tell us what we've done today. What kind of science experiment?
We made these things explode.
How did we do that? What did we use?
Vinegar.
Vinegar and what else?
Baking soda.
Yes. And how did you make them different colors?
The dye.
The dye. Yes. Okay, so show us what happens whenever you pour that in there.
And get that out of the way. I'll eat it like that for. Ooh! Give me mine.
Okay, Logan, you gonna do yours?
Yeah, next it's going to be my turn again. I don't put all of this in that one. Look at that! Mine was a ginormous explode. Mine was bigger than Bubba's. Could you put a little bit more in that little one, right, Bubba? Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun, guys. Good job.
I'll do it again. But that was water.
Logan, what do you have in your can now?
Water.
Okay, so we're gonna test and see if it's water or vinegar that makes baking soda explode.
Better, right?
Right? Let's see which one worked the best. Now try it. Go for it.
Water may be better. Oh, no. You just had to pour a little bit more in. Mama,
Wah. Test it with water.
Oh.
Does vinegar work or does water work?
Vinegar. Vinegar works, Mama.
Which one works, Logan?
Oh, Mama. Vinegar. Mama, only if we have that.
Okay, thank you, scientist.
Only. I did that again.